Want that big time money? Want that big time money? Well, come get that big time money with Nick. Haha. Like and subscribe. Boom! Now, let's go make some money! Nick back here with you with another insane video! Woo! Here we go. Time to make some money, guys. 91K in 25 days. CPA marketing. You won't believe how this is done. Let's check out that video. Let's go. Woo!
Yo, learning machines, welcome to this video. I'm 25 days into the month, and I've already made $91,000 on Max Down. Let me refresh real quick. Look at that, $91,000. This is basically money that doctors make, in my career, and they go to work every day. I essentially only work sometimes 30 minutes to 2 hours, sometimes more if I'm building like a new funnel or a new business or product, I'll work more. But later, that people make this much money in their life. So I wanted to show you this for inspiration. This is extremely powerful.
Hey, listen, I've been using this system from Benjamin to get insane results, and it's super easy. And the great thing is, anyone can do it. I mean, anyone. Just click the link in the description, and I'll see you at the top. Let's go!